How to disable OneDrive on your Windows. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can disable OneDrive on Windows. So let's just get started with the video and stop syncing our OneDrive files with our Windows. So for that, the first thing you need to do is you can head over to File Manager, open it up, and once you open it up, you will be finding your OneDrive here on the left side. So you can go to this section here and you'll be finding your OneDrive. So you just need to go ahead and right click on it first and a settings menu will appear. So from this, head over to this option called settings, open it up, and this opens up on your screen. So from here, you need to go to this unlink this PC option. Click on it, and all you need to do is confirm this confirmation message on your screen, and you should be able to unlink your OneDrive from your PC. So that is it. This is the method you can follow up in order to do it. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.